How to block screenshot for chats on IMO. First, open your IMO app. Click on your profile in the upper left corner of the screen and then select Settings. Now select Privacy, then click Chat and Call Privacy. Now here you can see a lot of different options, but let's go ahead and select Block Screenshot for Chats. And after that, all you have to do is enable this button. After that, you have successfully blocked screenshots for chats. All users will be prevented from making a screenshot or screen recording your chats. You will even get notified if they try to screenshot your chats. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.